So children, now let's finish the second part 2 of the conjunctions, that is correlative conjunctions of choice. Now in here you can see there are so many examples I've written, and you'll understand better through your examples. Now see, correlative conjunctions. The name correlative means they appear in pairs and they relate to each other. That means they do the work of joining. Plus relative conjunctions of choice. They are of choice. Okay, so both sides. Like either you can come home or I can go to your place. So either or. These both are conjunctions we know. Now see, they are joining two complete clauses or complete sentences, you can see. You can come home. This is complete in itself. I can go to your place. Even this is complete. So both are complete. And this sentence means either you can come home, or if you don't want, the other person can go to the other person's home. So this is a choice between both of them. Okay, so correlative conjunctions of choice. That means these two, when joined, they can also join correlative conjunctions of choice. Now, come to the next. I would rather stay at home than be in the ceremony. So, I would rather stay at home. Now, this is a complete sentence, and rather than. Both these are your conjunctions, isn't it? Be in the ceremony. Now, this is I would rather stay at home. Why? After that, what? Than be in the ceremony. That means this person wants to stay at home and he doesn't want to go in the ceremony, any type of ceremony. So there's a choice which this person is referring to. So I would rather stay at, so rather and than, these two conjunctions. Okay? Now, so there's a choice. Again, correlative conjunctions of choice. Now, neither Rajiv nor Ali is interested in the game. Now, neither nor. Simply joining these two nouns. Okay. So, neither Rajiv nor Ali, it's a phrase, is interested in the game. Is interested in the game. Again, this is incomplete. Now it is joining here. So neither Rajiv nor Ali, when both we put together, then it is joining the whole sentence. Okay, like Rajiv Ali is interested in the game. What? Rajiv nor Ali is interested. No. So neither Rajiv nor Ali. That means both are not interested in the game. So it is again their own choice. So correlative conjunction of choice. Now whether you come or not, I will wait for you. Okay. Now whether you come or not, I'll wait for you. Now see, again this is choice. You come or not, whether the person is going to come or not, it is his choice that he is going to wait for him. So again, correlative conjunction of choice, isn't it? And these two, when they join, only then they can, this sentence, this particular sentence can relate to this part, isn't it? So you come or not, you come or not, I'll wait for you. Now here, Joy hasn't yet decided whether to go for higher studies or to take up a job. Now Joy hasn't yet decided whether. Okay, whether or. These two are your conjunctions. Now Joy hasn't yet decided what? To go for higher studies or to take up a job. So this is a phrase and it is infinitive phrase. Why infinitive? See the word to take. So this is infinitive, isn't it? When to comes before the verb, it is called infinitive. Same thing here also, to go. So this is also till here. This is also a phrase. And this is infinitive phrase because these you call it infinitive. When to comes before the verb, first form of the verb. Okay, 2 plus V1, that is infinitive. Even this 2 plus V1 is infinitive. So Joy hasn't yet decided whether to go for higher studies or to take up a job. So whether and or. Now when we are joining these two with these two conjunctions, whether and or, see they can also join two phrases, and that two infinitive phrases. Okay, here it is joining two complete clauses, complete sentences, you can say. Now here they are again joining the phrases. Okay, but they are phrases, they are verb phrases. Now here, neither Rajiv nor Ali, they are joining two nouns here. And here again they are joining phrases, not complete sentence, phrases. A phrase and a complete. I'll wait for you. This is complete sentence and a phrase. Now here, Joy hasn't yet decided whether to go. This is again joining two infinitive phrases. Infinitive phrases. Why infinitive phrases? Because to go for higher studies is not to go for higher studies what? So it is incomplete. That is why we call it phrase. If it is complete, we call it clause. It is incomplete, that is why we are calling it phrase. Okay. And why infinitive phrase? Because here infinitive is there. 2 plus V1 is infinitive. Here. Same thing goes for this also. To take up a job. What to take up a job? It is again a phrase. It is incomplete sentence. So we call it a phrase. Now to take, it is again infinitive. So whether and or is doing the work of joining two infinitive phrases. Now I hope you must have understood well correlative conjunctions of choices.